Yeah, let's go. I wanted to make sure that there wasn't going to be any car in front of us. So I hope that it's all good right here. I have a feeling we're going to catch up to a couple cars. Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are finally going to be doing sort of a canyon run. I've been on these roads a couple times already. This is on Maricopa Highway in north of Ojai, pretty much by like Wheeler's Gorge and stuff. We're just about to leave the like, not residential, but like the country residential area, I guess is what I would call it. And we're about to hit like the narrow roads up here that lead to like a campground and then up to Rose Valley, I believe. I think I'm only going to be going about 70% because, one, it's been a while since I've hit these roads, and two, I am still on stock brakes, so the ones that came with the car, because this car is mainly driven on highway. I'm on 82,000 miles right now, and I still have a good amount of life left on these brakes, but you know how OEMs are, they're going to overheat quick, so I'm going to be using the weight of the car and downshifting to make sure that I get everything comfortable and good. Also, my voice sounds really raspy right now because I lost my voice yesterday at my daughter's first birthday party. We finally hit the 1 year mark and we decided to do a birthday party for her, and it was great. After all that yelling and just everything going on this last whole week, my voice is finally coming back. It was a lot worse last night. But I'll have the window down just a little bit so you guys can hear some of it. But that intake sound is phenomenal, dude. Dude, look at that. Los Padres National Forest. I remember this part. There used to be running. Oh, there's running water here again. Gotta be careful with that. A lot of hikers here because this is a lot of good spots to come hiking. I definitely want to come back here again with the wifey once Leia's a little bit older. I used to love hiking, and I think there's a fire station around right here. So Wheeler's Gorge, I used to come here to come camp, I'm sorry. That was like 10 years ago. Road work ahead again. I think they're doing a lot of road work here because this is the second time I need to stop. Or I think I'm going to stop. 1 lane road ahead, yep. That's a bummer, dude. I think this is gonna be a bust. Here's the thing. The fact that they're still out here working. Steel plates ahead. All right, well, this is interesting. All right. Well, let's see how many more times we're gonna have to stop, but at least there's enough signage. There's enough signs from around the corner. Dude, I remember this. This was one of my favorite roads back in the day. Dude. I want to go so much faster, but oh shit. I need to try not to say that. This car definitely just wants to keep going, dude. Okay. Also, this is probably going to be the first time I actually am able to, like, not test out the tires, but definitely feel what they can do, because I've had these Continental tires on the car for over a year now, and I have not been able to come here, dude. I've just been so dang busy. Yo. Third gear is going to be getting all the works right now. Look, even that truck's going ham. Oh, damn, dude. If there was definitely, oh, I remember it. It used to be here. The time where you had to stop mid-road. I remember this was not here, or they fixed it because that was not there before. My car just told me to brake. Woo! Road work ahead, no! It doesn't even seem like I'm going fast, but I love it. All right, yeah, I can see them from right here. And I purposely wanted to, like, film mainly uphill because I know the incline will slow the car down, so I don't have to use my brakes as much, and because I have to floor it more because of the turbo. Bro. That was fun. Damn it, dude. I really wish there was more for it. I definitely want to hit up Azusa Canyon. I don't know if Mahalit Canyon is open. I think they closed it. I need to look it up. I've heard good and bad things of Azusa Canyon because I keep hearing the cops are patrolling it more now, but you have to go at dusk or right at dawn so that you can avoid all the cops and traffic. Once I get past these a little bit, we'll go a little bit more. No mames, way. Ya lo cagaron. Please pull over right here. You have room. Please pull over. You have room. Bro, please pull over right here. Please pull over right here. Bro, come on. I really hope both the sides of your pillows are warm when you go to sleep. Like, I hope that you win the lottery and you lose the ticket. Road work ahead. That's the 4th one I think I've seen so far. 1 lane ahead. Yep. God damn, that's nice. I think we're gonna have to call it, dude. This is not gonna work. This was such a bust, man. I knew I should have gone somewhere else. Honestly, okay, I was more curious on... Oh, look, I got the map already. Look, Maricopa Highway. Got a little bit more to go. But I was more just curious how these roads were again, because I remember back in the day, I used to drive here all the time in my 8th gen, and I loved it. And there wasn't this much construction. Now there is, so unfortunately, I'm gonna have to freaking just deal with it and just edit as much as I can for you guys. Dude, I think as of right now that I know of, this might be the worst canyon I've ever experienced. Yeah, look, Rose Valley's right here. Taft is 65 miles that way. So this is literally the end of it for me in terms of like, yeah, this sucks. This definitely was a bust. That sucks, but we're here. This was a really cool spot to camp. If you keep going more that way, you're gonna hit some really cool campgrounds right here in Rose Valley. Not sure where that one's going. And obviously this just takes you back over there, but I think I took a couple pictures here. I think the last time I actually came to this road with this car was when we just installed the lowering springs. I think it was when I had my other tires. It's been that long. So I would definitely say like 3 years. I definitely need to be coming out more often. I've just been so focused on other things in life. Even if it was a bus driving this right now, honestly, this is something that I needed. I definitely needed to just come out and drive and just appreciate the roads and just some peace and quiet. This was definitely fun and therapeutic. I think I'm using that word right. So I think we should probably just start heading back now. She's walking. What I wanted to tell you guys too is I'm not mad that like they're doing construction at the, I think it's at Mariposa Highway. It's just like, dude, it's been over 5 years and I still see the same amount, if not more, construction. So I'm hoping that they fix that eventually, because it's such a beautiful drive, dude. Like for those little sheer, like, all right, there we go. Realized there wasn't that much light in here, but for that little amount of driving, spirited driving that I did, this is literally making me want to go to other canyons. I really want to go back to Azusa, and I want to hit up Mohaled, or at least some of the canyons around that area, to check it out. So like, if you guys have any other good recommendations for me to check out here in Southern California, let me know, man, because I am definitely willing to go check those out. But yeah, man, so hope that was an entertaining video for you guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys have a good one. Peace.